time to learn about jobs function. In this video, you will learn how to run the same tpch query through jobs. To do so, save your SQL query in a file. I saved it here as tpch-SQL. Next, go to jobs, create job definition, and then fill the forms. Follow the steps to fill the form to define your jobs. So I'll call it tpch job. Select the resource. I saved my file in a workspace. You could have your queries in a GitHub or in S3 or as a flat file in your workspace. Then click next. And the source is workspace. It asks you about the path and the file name. So the path to my file name. The type of the job is SQL. In another video, we will have another job type of Python. But for now, we know this is a SQL job. Timeout in the minutes. So I leave it as like 10 minutes because I'm sure it's gonna run much less than 10 minutes. Next is advanced options. Here, make sure you select the Snowflake because you need to connect to Snowflake through the catalog. Then you can define the number of retries and retry delays. Finally, you can create a cluster and name it here. But since I already have a cluster saved as a small, I'm going to use that one when I'm going to run the job. So now here, you will go to job definition, click on tpch job, then create job run. And in here, I can select my cluster that I want to run this job. Notice that the job UID is written here, and you can create a new cluster from the job definition if you want to. Then click submit. After a few seconds, the job is succeeded. Now the job is succeeded.